Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off and removing the earbuds. You want to protect electronics. Next, soften the gum. Hold the affected area near warm water. Do not submerge, so it loosens, because softened gum lifts more cleanly. Once done, blot excess moisture with a lint-free cloth. Make sure to put a couple drops of 70% isopropyl on the cloth, not on the AirPod, because the alcohol helps break the stickiness while evaporating quickly. Then gently dab around the gum to avoid pushing residue inward. You'll now remove the loosened gum mechanically. Use a plastic pick or a credit card edge at a low angle and work slowly from the outside toward the center. This pries the gum up rather than smearing it. If resistance remains, soften again with warm steam or the dampened cloth. Patience prevents damage. Make sure to rotate the tool as you lift small sections, because gradual removal preserves the mesh and finish. Avoid metal tools and abrasive pads, since they can scratch or puncture the speaker grill. Finish by removing any thin residue. Use a cotton swab lightly dampened with 70% isopropyl to roll away sticky traces, then wipe with a dry, lint-free cloth. Allow the AirPod to air dry fully for 10 to 30 minutes before placing in the case or charging, because trapped moisture harms contacts. If you notice audio distortion afterward, check the grill for clogged openings. If needed, repeat gentle clearing and drying. If problems persist, contact Apple support to avoid risking permanent speaker damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.